Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility and collecting documents. Gather Aadhaar, PAN, 3 months of bank statements or last 2 salary slips, and a current address proof. Once done, make sure the mobile number is active and linked to Aadhaar because Geo verifies identity via your SIM and KYC. This speeds approval. Next, check your CIBIL roughly to ensure a clean credit history. That explains why approval odds improve when your score is healthy. You now proceed to application. Open the MyGeo app or the lender's portal, select personal loan, and enter PAN, Aadhaar number, employer, and net monthly income. Upload your scanned bank statements and identity documents, then request an Aadhaar OTP to complete e-signature. Make sure to double-check figures and upload clear scans. Poor images cause delays. Once submitted, the lender runs automated checks and may call for a quick verification, which is you finish by reviewing the sanction letter, accepting the loan amount, and selecting tenure and EMI frequency. Provide your bank details for NEFT or IMPS disbursement and immediately set an auto-debit mandate to avoid missed payments. Once funds arrive, reconcile the amount with the loan statement and save digital copies. Troubleshooting tip: if disbursement is delayed beyond 48 hours, call lender support with your application ID and transaction screenshots. Persistence and documentation solve most delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.